Ask yourself, do I really need some more solar lights in my yard? Yes, I do. So guess what? I picked up some more solar lights. Well, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, because you're always going to find new and different products, along with a lot of other different videos. So sit back, relax, and let's get into this box of solar lights. So the name of these solar lights are MoonRay, and I picked them up at Walmart. I picked these solar lights up actually last year, and I wanted to give them a good go before I actually did a review on them. And I found that I really like them. They're really bright, and with a full charge, they last about 8 hours. And as I had them for about a year already, they're still all lasting. So here I'm just opening up the box to show you what they look like, how to turn them on, and make sure they all work. Most solar lights come with a pick that's inside the pole, so you just have to pull it out, reverse it, and put it back in, so it's easier to push into the ground. Then you pop your solar light right onto the pole. Now let's just do this for the rest of them. They look like they're glass, but they're not. They're actually just plastic. And before you take them outside, you want to make sure they're turned on. So just by turning off the top cap, you will find this is where the rechargeable battery is. So just pull this tag to activate it. Sometimes people don't know there's a tag and they wonder why their light isn't turning on. So if you didn't know, you're welcome. Now I'm just going to test them to make sure they're all working, and then I'll put them outside. Sometimes when you find one that's not working, it could either be a bad battery or just needs a charge. Okay, so now that we took a look at them, let's put them outside. Now this footage of all these solar lights outside here at night is actually now, so a year later. You can see they're quite bright, and they probably would be brighter if I've cleaned them, but I didn't get to clean them yet. I also leave them out over winter. You can see how well they light up my herb garden. And you can see, well, I put my hand behind the solar light, how much light it blocks out behind. So they've been some pretty good solar lights. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to get your very own solar lights, you can either find them at Walmart or online. Remember to subscribe to this channel as I will be posting more videos on solar items. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.